Hi guys, we had a good question, and the client's question was, how often should I brush my dog's teeth? It's a great question. A lot of clients don't think about it, and I usually relate that to people. How often do people brush their teeth? Should do at least once a day. Most people go at least twice a day. There are some people who go every time they eat, 3-4 times a day. All of that is ideal, and the way I word that to clients is, what would your mouth look like if you didn't brush your teeth for 8 years? Talking about an 8-year-old patient, whether it's a cat, a dog, or actually a ferret. We have had some ferrets with really bad dental disease. They don't tend to be quite as bad because they don't tend to get as much canned food, but you can actually, if the ferret will let you brush their teeth or let them chew on it, they tend to be little inquisitive animals as it is, and that's really good hygiene for them as well. No toothpaste, just the actual mechanical brushing action is what we're looking for in a ferret. So, hope that helps you guys a little bit, but it was a really good question, and the answer is yes. Ideally, you should brush your dog's teeth at least once a day. That's not realistic for most people or even most pets, allowing their owners to do it. So the general good rule of thumb is if you can brush your dog or cat's teeth 3 to 4 times a week, you are doing amazing and you are doing great and you are well above the general bell curve of the rest of the population. So even the fact that owners attempted, you are doing really well because so few owners actually A, ever try it, B, actually follow through with it and train their pet to do it. So kudos to you, keep doing it. Good job, guys. So it's really hard if you have an older pet and you're all of a sudden going to start trying to brush their teeth. Sometimes that ship has sailed, they're not used to it. Some pets are easy to handle and mess with. Some owners are scared of their pets and their pets biting them whenever they try and handle them. That's a shame on you thing, and you should train them and not let them get away with that. But that's a topic for another day. So if you can, get them used to it when they're puppies. I recommend owners try peanut butter on a toothbrush. There's doggy toothpaste, basically flavored things. Do not use a human toothpaste in dogs or cats. Once again, do not use human toothpaste in your pets. There's some enzymes in there and some things that can actually cause some real serious problems, so don't do that. It is better to use just straight water and the mechanical actual brushing action. There's a couple different ways owners can do it. Every clinic's different. Just ask your veterinarian. Some clinics have the long toothbrush, real skinny side, and a little bit fatter side that's longer so you can get back in there and not get your fingers bit. Particularly on those longer nose breeds like the Labs, the Retrievers, the German Shepherds, kind of those breeds. There's another version. Some owners are comfortable with it, some aren't. It's kind of a finger toothbrush. It has little bristles on there and you can kind of get in there and do your thing. I do encourage owners, if you're going to go that route, make it a pleasant, positive, encouraging experience for the pet, or let them know something good is coming afterwards. So if your pet is not food motivated or doesn't like it, but they're play motivated or they're excited to go on their walks with their leash, brush their teeth, then they go on their walk. Then they start to get excited about the brushing the teeth time concept because something good is coming and they associate it with, ooh, I got my teeth brushed, I get to play fetch for 5 minutes. Ooh, I got my teeth brushed, we're gonna go on a walk. Ooh, I'm getting dinner. Whatever it is, be creative. So it's a great question. Hope you all learned something, and if you can, I strongly encourage you guys to brush your pet's teeth. It will save you a lot of time, money, and problems down the road. If you're unsure about that, just ask your vet. We got pictures that are very, very bad of mouths dissolving away with how bad the infection is. So take care, guys. Hope you learned something.